Hi, Maria, the Amateur Crafter here. I have an unboxing for you. This is the Mega Mystery Box for Craft-o-ween from 143 Vinyl and Mr. Crafty Pants. It's a collaboration between them. I like these mystery boxes because essentially it's a whole bunch of projects that you can create. However, they are a little bit more expensive because they include blanks and they're full projects that you can do. But that's why I like them too. I know it's the day before Halloween. So, will I actually complete all of these? Probably not, only a couple. But let's get to the fun part. Let's get over to unboxing. Okay, so this right here is a stainless steel tumbler. And with the straw, let me put the straw away. I actually want you to see how glittery and shiny that tumbler is. This is actually a sublimation blank, but because sublimation can be expensive to get into, he usually sets them up so that you can use vinyl on, or his projects. Mr. Crafty Pants sets up his projects so you can use vinyl on them. Here's a sublimation mug as well. This mug actually turns white when you get it hot, or when you put hot liquids in it. I tried to make it with my hand, but maybe I'm too cold, or or the or I guess my hand's not hot enough to make it turn white and bright. So here's actually a little keychain that goes with a skeleton key, just for fun. And these cute little pumpkins that stand up. There's 3 sizes, a small, medium. Where's the large? There's the large. A tea towel, so for a Halloween tea towel. A sublimation mask. Again, for these projects, we're not going to do sublimation. Well, he set them up to do them as vinyl. I'll probably sublimate on them because, well, okay, let me make that clear. I am not set up to do sublimation, but Infusible Ink, which is Cricut's brand of sublimation product, those products will work on these items. So I'll probably do that instead of doing the vinyl on those. Okay, and just a couple of hexagon coasters. And this cute pumpkin, it's a door sign with a hanger. So that's what this paint is for. So I can paint the pumpkins and hang it up. This is meant to be a 2-sided door hanger, so I'm going to do one side as a happy fall so that I can put it up in August and leave it through Thanksgiving because I'm lazy and I'm not willing to change my decor every month. So that's what that is. Okay, then it came with this huge roll of vinyl, so I'll walk through those with you real quick. So here's some vinyl, just regular sticky backed vinyl in matte and in glossy. I'm not sure what this one is. I don't remember why it was there. Some white HTV, some lilac, green, orange. HTVs, heat transfer vinyl, also known as iron-on, same thing. These cute vinyl polka dots in purple and orange. Plaid in orange and purple. And these cute ghosts that looks like paisley in orange and purple. And look at this cute skull and crossbones. Those are all just regular vinyl. So let's move on to the HTV. Set this on the side. Well, another side. Oh, it did come at the bottom was just a piece of basil cardstock. It's just cardstock for one of the projects. Oh, that is a solid core cardstock. You know if it's solid core because solid core because it's the same color throughout the cardstock. Some cardstocks only have the top color and then they're white, and they might be white on the back, or they might be printed another color on the other side. But if they're white in the middle, then they're not solid core. There's not a difference between them really. You can use whatever you want for the project. Some people just don't like that white look. Look at this glitter white vinyl. Isn't that gorgeous? And orange, super glittery. Green, purple. Look at this black. It's holographic with some rainbow sparkles in there. I hope you can see the rainbow. I think that's their galaxy. It's beautiful. So some regular black HTV and some more white. Oh, one of these whites is glow in the dark. So it looks white, but when you turn off the lights, it glows in the dark. I'm not sure which one it is. And then some more white matte, just regular vinyl. So the only projects that I think I'm going to do, because it's Thanksgiving already, or because it's Halloween already, is probably the door hanger and the small pumpkins. And the reason why is because I can use them for 2 holidays, right? So I will use the paint, get those painted up and set up and get them done. Maybe not this weekend. I've got a paper to write, so for my class. I guess that's it. Thank you for watching this unboxing. I do really like these mystery boxes. They are more expensive though because they're projects. This one was $90, and he does announce them on his YouTube channel and his blog. So Mr. Crafty Pants, when they come out, I have no idea when his next one's going to be. He hasn't announced it yet. So if you like project bundles, then this is definitely one to get. It's different than other mystery boxes that just have the materials, and then you have to decide what to do about the materials. So I hope you enjoyed. Thank you.